Weather Watch 4, your most dependable forecast.
First things first, let's talk about the lake effect snow, which continues in areas north and southwest of the city as we begin this Thursday morning. The good news is this is going to start to wind down getting into the afternoon, but still, even this morning, it's possible some spots underneath this heavier blue shade here, this darker blue shade, may pick up about another 5 inches of accumulation across portions of Chautauqua and Cattaraugus County. But notice this band, it seems to kind of be pivoting a little bit now. So the western end of the band is heading southward, maybe toward Westfield out of Brockton. The eastern end of the band is kind of shifting up here a little bit, maybe more toward East Otto, out of Randolph. So we're seeing a little fluctuation, at least in the aerial coverage of this band down to the south right now. And still some lingering lake effect snow showers coming down off Lake Ontario this morning into Niagara and Orleans counties. That may be good for another 1 to 2 inches in spots. We put the brakes on this stuff this afternoon. Finally, it winds down. Looking good around the city of Buffalo and the surrounding suburbs. And that's the way it's shaping up, at least for today. Lake effect snow warning still in effect for Chautauqua and Cattaraugus County. A lesser lake effect snow advisory over the border of McKean and Warren counties. And all these warnings and advisories expire at 10 a.m. this morning. Well, after the lake snow, then we focus on the potential for a widespread major storm system this weekend. And it looks like, at least at this point, this is the way it's coming together. Snow will develop Saturday night and then change to a wintry mix by Sunday morning. That mixture will then change back to snow during Sunday afternoon and evening. And this is going to produce a fairly significant amount of precipitation across the area. So whatever form the precipitation takes, we're probably going to see a lot of it. There is a chance, with the storm center moving fairly close to the area early Sunday morning, if a dry slot develops in the storm, and this happens with these intense storm systems sometimes, there could be a lull in the precipitation for a period. So we're going to be watching this very closely right through the rest of the week. Of course, Don Paul will have more details on this coming up this evening as well. 8 to 9 o'clock this morning in the Buffalo Metro, the city, the suburbs, 16 degrees. It's cold out there today. 21 degrees at noontime and 24 with partly sunny skies pretty much through the lunchtime and the afternoon period. No major weather hassles for the morning or the afternoon commute today. Super microcast still showing some of the lingering lake effects southwest and northeast of the city today. Otherwise, partly sunny skies, maybe just a passing flurry during the morning hours. Not a bad day around the city and much of the Niagara frontier until you get up into Niagara County where we have those lake effect snow showers. For tonight, clouds will be on an increase and we have a weak disturbance on the way tomorrow. Just a little bit of light snow out of these blue blobs during the midday and the afternoon hours. Nothing major. You're not going to be shoveling the stuff around here tomorrow. Then just mostly cloudy skies for Saturday. Perhaps a few breaks to the south of the city. Computer trying to generate some precip here on Saturday, but I really don't see that happening. And then we start to get into that storm Saturday night and Sunday. After sunup this morning, partly cloudy skies on the highways north, cloudier to the south on the 219-400, partly cloudy on the QE. Chance of a few flakes heading into Rochester across Genesee County. Definitely some flakes flying on the Thruway West and the I-86. Right now, 13 in Buffalo, and here's your forecast. Lake snow southwest and northeast this morning. Otherwise, partly sunny skies developing region-wide today. The highs 20 to 25 for the overnight. Partly clear, then clouds increase later on, 10 to 17. Tomorrow, looking ahead to a cloudy day, becoming breezy. Chance of a little light snow during the midday and afternoon. It won't be much, 28 to 34. And mostly cloudy skies on Saturday, a low to mid-30s. That snow starts to develop Saturday night, continuing into Sunday and changing to a wintry mix.